slow 378 as well.
Passengers wishing to alight at the next station, please move forward from this part of the train due to the short platform at this station.
Willesden Yard, here we come.
Not many freights pass. You can see. You can't see many freights past this yard, can you?
No.
But don't forget, there's something on the other side too, isn't there? Like a network rail thingy.
Yes, there's a lot of ballast and tampers and stuff.
Yeah. Got an old signal box there, an old-fashioned signal box.
Yes, it's a nice box, Willesden.
Oh, is that a 67?
Lager. Oh, Pendos. Lovely old box.
Loads of fenders.
Leesden.
Oh, look at this. What's this?
66 and 67, double-headed on cargoes.
But they're not really moving yet, are they?
They're not touched yet.
Oh, got a cute little wagon there. Oh, look, we got a 90 down there as well. Oh, my God, look!
It's a Pretendolino. Oh, and
Another 67.
67 both ends, top and tail on 6.
Oh, and we've got a
and some new Southeastern stock. Oh, fantastic stuff. 67, that 4567. So we got Mickey Mouse coming up on the left.
Have we got anything?
Yeah, we got a Mickey Mouse in the back.
Yep.
So that's the old Willesden box.
This will be the
old red stuff.
And some cargo wagons. Those wagons look so old.
Yeah, they're very graffitied, aren't they? Now, over here, we've got our network southeast Tampa train area.
Or London Overground Depot.
Yes.
London
Which
Depot.
comes first? I think the Tampa depot is first, over here. Here we go.
Oh, Tampa.
Loads of ballast, hoppers and feeders. Yeah.
We usually see a 66 in there.
Usually a 66, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Today.
Oh, here we go. Oh my God, Chiltern Railways. What's that doing in there?
Look, got the 86 over the back.
Yep.
In weirdo livery.
And nothing.
No.
What a turbo style is.
It's out. The 87s, that must be out.
Yeah.
Today.
You know the 86 we saw at the back there? I think that was ETS red.
ETS?
Yeah.
What's that stand for?
I don't know.
European
I don't...
Sports.
Try and wash your vagina. Yes. Entering Houston now.